Hey guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the chapter 2 walkthrough of the Lana lore walkthrough. So go right of the building, go to the room that says room 3 and go behind the bed here and just press E to collect one of the map pieces. Then you are going to just walk to this room. This is like the cafeteria area and you're just going to press E on this map piece. I don't do this in order, by the way, so keep that in mind. Then I'm just going to walk up here, and I think I go to the bathroom first, which I think is on the left side. I just walk here. It's in here, and it's on the furthest stall, and that's behind the toilet. It is a little bit tricky to find it, not gonna lie. I think I go to this big area, the recreational room, which is left of the bathroom, and the paper is under the box. Here's me trying to find it because I forgot where it is. It's under the box. There we go. Then one of the maps is in the storage room. So this is me going to the storage room, which is in this area right here in front of the desk. This is me trying to outrun the monster. And there's a piece, and the last piece is kind of like a false piece. It's in the office kind of. Here I go up again because I died. And you go to the right, go right again. And then here is where it is. Press it and you're going to be caught, but you're just going to hide again in the locker for a few seconds, and then you're going to run to the red door. So here, as you can see, the nurse will be alerted, and I'm just going to wait in here until I don't have a heartbeat sound anymore, and just run through that area and go to the red door. Then press E to open. And you're just going to literally send it. You're going to run and make sure you don't get caught like that. You're just going to go down and you're going to run. Just run, follow that red line, and you're just going to fully send it. Press shift, don't forget to do that. It will go down with your energy. But that is pretty much it for chapter 2. You're just going to keep running until you reach the end. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And don't worry on the ending. It's just a cutscene, so you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!